Ay, mali. We're going lunch here at Mukbang Show. Korean restaurant.
Kasama ang drinks dito.
What is
Tanong mo nga ito.
soup? What is this?
Maliit. Puro na agman.
Seaweed soup. Same like that.
You will mix it, يعني or what?
No. We will put.
with drink. الخجر.
We will. What do you call this? Explore this kind of food.
What is this?
Sauce. Radish.
What's yellow?
Oh, they just put coloring.
Yan. Tawag mo yung mga tayo na included.
Kuya.
Careful. No.
Pwede na to, no? Pwede na? Which one we have to put first? Who wants seafood?
Okay. I will add it.
Let's try it.
I know this one only. The only thing I think we did with lettuce.
Pwede na kaya, ate?
Pwede na. Hot na siya eh.
The chef.
We will make video. Let let Leia see. Leia, you're so famous. Everyone is having video to you.
Shall I cook this all first? Or I will put different.
It's okay. Let's finish this first. Yeah? What do you think? Or you want mix?
I don't know.
Gee.
Yeah, mix the meat and then later the seafood.
You want the garlic and this pepper on this thing?
Yeah,
We
you
put
can.
Garlic?
See, there are things here, but I don't know how to use it anymore. We put there.
No, you will eat. I think separate.
That one is too spicy.
You will wrap this the lettuce, including that garlic or chili.
But you put it on fire a little bit.
Try mo siya dyan. Hello!
Okay. We put this on fire, right?
I think that is already cooked.
No.
Yeah. That's good.
Yeah, it's already cooked.
It's cooked. هذا حطيت عبا واحدة غبية. But it's cold.
Done with our lunch. Thank you so much. Kamsamida. Thank you. Kamsamida Mukbang Show.